Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text a next line in WhatsApp. To insert a new line, simply press the Shift key and the Enter key simultaneously. This common keyboard shortcut allows you to easily format your messages, making them much more readable. It's a quick and efficient way to break up long texts or create lists directly within your chat, enhancing your communication flow. Another convenient method involves adjusting your WhatsApp settings. Go to your WhatsApp settings, then select Chats. Here, you'll find an option labeled Enter is Send. If you disable this, your Enter key will then create a new line instead of sending the message. This is particularly useful if you prefer a single key press for formatting. Utilizing new lines offers several key advantages for your WhatsApp conversations. It dramatically improves readability, allowing your recipients to easily digest information. You can effortlessly create bulleted lists or separate different points within a single message, preventing your chats from becoming a dense block of text. This thoughtful formatting ensures your messages are always clear and concise. To quickly recap, you have two primary ways to add a new line in WhatsApp. First, the universal Shift plus Enter shortcut works across devices. Second, you can modify your chat settings to make the Enter key function as a new line creator. Experiment with both options to discover which method enhances your messaging experience most effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.